you want to have the best hair in the room this holiday season, you need to try this blowout routine. And for a limited time, Color Wow has everything you need in their Volumizing VIPs kit. First, you need to be using the Color Security Shampoo. It's 100% clean and leaves zero residue behind on your hair and scalp. Next up is the Money Mist leave-in conditioner. I don't know about you, but I definitely need a leave-in conditioner to detangle my hair after washing. This leave-in conditioner is the only one I can use and still get volume with because it's super lightweight and it doesn't weigh my hair down. Then my two favorite volumizing products, Xtra Large and Raise the Root. Xtra Large is a lightweight foam volumizer that's going to give you volume and thickness all throughout your hair, and Raise the Root is going to give you mega root lift. Both are going to leave you with zero stuffiness and zero crunch, and they both have heat protection in them. Then blow dry your hair and just wait for these results. And that is how you get the best blowout. Look at how much root lift I have. I can also still play with my hair, run my fingers through it. There's no stiffness, no crunchiness at all. So grab this kit for the best volume blowout ever.